Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Do you need to work on your boxing skills? Then you need this awesome boxing ball. This is a double-ended boxing ball from BOXERPOINT, and it is going to help you to improve your coordination and get busy working on all of your skills. This double end bag has adjustable cords so that you can adjust it according to whatever height that you're at. It also has a really well-made spear style ball. The ball is made out of a PU leather, but it is very good quality, and you can see that it's about 7 inches big. This bag, as well as the ropes that it came with, were very easy to set up. We installed it in our garage space so that it can be well supported to be able to be attached at both ends. My daughter and my husband and really anyone that comes into our garage is really loving being able to use this setup. It helps to improve coordination. It's a great challenge. It also helps to improve hand-eye coordination. It's just really, really overall fun, whether you're into boxing and you want to improve your skills, or if you just want to take out some frustrations on this boxing ball. This boxing bag is really, really fun. I really enjoy using it myself, improving on skills. It is quite a challenge and quite a workout, so it can be really fun to use, and I really love that this is the perfect size for us. We're all starters in our home, but we're having lots of fun using this really well-made and awesome setup. But that's just my point of view.